show you how to go from this to this.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for tuning in. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. I mean it, subscribe. So for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a ponytail with just your frontal. If you have scanty edges or you just like something like this, then this video is for you. So I'm just laying down my hair with my shine and jam. You don't have to use the exact product that I used in this video. You can use any edge control of your choice or any gel. So after laying my hair down, I went in with spirit just to wipe off any excess oil at the front of my hair, and then I went in with my cap, and after that I'll spray in some got to be blasting spray just to keep it down. You know, the balding cap method, that is what I'll be doing here. Then after that I went in to dry it. I repeated this process twice just to make sure that everything is well secured. Then after that I went in to cut any excess cap left. Then I went in with my bonding glue. This is the ghost bond. You don't have to use this exact bond. You can even use your blasting spray. If you don't want to use any glue on your edges, you can also use the got to be gel to lay your frontal. So after applying the glue, I went in with my blow dryer just to make it dry. Make sure that this glue is totally dry, like clear. Don't be like me. It was on a Sunday and I was rushing to church, so I didn't dry it totally. As you can see, it's still white. Then after that I went in to lay my frontal. Make sure that you lay your frontal properly. As you can see, you can still see some white patches, but don't worry, I'll fix that later. But you don't want to go through the problem that I went through, so make sure that your glue is totally dry and clear before applying your frontal. Then when I was done applying it, I already went off camera to sew down the back of the frontal to my hair, like so. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but I already went in to sew it down. Then I went ahead to cut off the elastic band that I used to secure it to my head. Gently cut it out, don't cut your hair. So after cutting out the elastic band, I also cut out the rest of the cap at the back of my head because we don't want that to be showing. I just used this cap just for the front part where the frontal is laying. So I'll just gently cut out the rest of the cap as well.
My heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my.
So after cutting off the cap, I went in with my curling wand just to lay it flat, and after that I went in with my Nairobi mousse. You can use any mousse of your choice just to mold the hair. I'm just trying to mold the hair to the shape that I want. And yeah.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure, and good sometimes. And
When I was done molding the hair into my desired shape, I went in to put it into a pony, and then I'm just smoothing everything out, as you can see. Then I used synthetic extension to hold the ponytail down, and that will serve as my anchor. So after putting my ponytail into a braid, I went off camera to cut my baby hair and also lay it down and tie it with my molding cap. I'm sure nobody wants to see me doing all these things on camera. And also I did my makeup off camera as well. Like you guys don't want to see everything, because I'm sure this video will be 1 hour long, and I'm sure nobody wants to watch a hair tutorial that is an hour long. So after that, I'm just wrapping my anchor with this molding cap just to secure it, because I will be using bonding glue for the ponytail. And I'm just wrapping my anchor, so that wrapping it with my molding cap so that the gel doesn't get to my hair. And this is the hair that I will be using for the ponytail. It's just a straight beautiful hair, and I'll just use a bonding glue on the wefts, and I'll just start wrapping it around. You guys will see what I'm trying to explain.
baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun and back for her. I go 1,000 to collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. 1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms. To the sun and back, in 1,000 walls to collapse. Baby, let me die with you, baby, with you, baby. I'm dying with you, baby. 1,000 walls to collapse there in her arms. My baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
When I was done gluing the hair, I took some of the hair and started wrapping it around the pony, just to give it that genie effect and to conceal where I stopped the hair. This hair is so beautiful and so easy to achieve. Like, I see myself wearing this hairstyle over and over and over. It is so nice. And this hair lasted a week. It lasted a week for me. And yeah, I'm here is the finished look. Can you see how sleek and beautiful this hair looks? Like, you know, I'm always feeling myself. I'm just feeling myself. It looked really, really nice. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share my video with family, friends, and your loved ones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, yeah. Oh, Lord, make you slow down.